This video is to teach you how a ruler works. This is one of those things that everyone thinks they know, but they actually do not. So first off, as you look at this ruler on the inches side, right now, do you know which line is 5 5/8? If you don't, you need this video. So here's the trick of how a ruler works. A ruler is essentially a series of lines, oops, I'm all off the screen, is a series of lines that tell you what number line it is. 0 always counts as 0. And then if there's one line, 1 would go on the bottom, and then you would say that this is the first line out of 1. If there were 2 lines, then you would say there are 1, 2 lines, which means 2 goes on the bottom of every set. And then you would say that this is the first of 2 lines. This is the second, can't write 2 sideways, of 2 lines, and we know that all of this transfers into the meaning of 1. As I add lines, so now there are 4 lines. So we are saying that these are numbers out of 4. So this is the first line out of 4, the second line out of 4, the third line out of 4, and the fourth line out of 4. And we just happen to know that the second line out of 4 can also be simplified down into 1/2. As you continue to add lines, the truth is still the same. However many lines there are, you count them. That number goes on the bottom, and then you count to the line number you're looking at, and that number goes on top. So if I am at the 1-inch line and I am looking for 5/8, I first count how many lines, not counting 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if there are 16 lines, and you can't see, am trying to get to 8. Well, how are 8 and 16 different? Well, 16 is twice as big as 8. So if I'm trying to get to 5/8, I took 8 times 2 to get to 16. So I have to take 5 times 2, which gets me 10. So when I go to my ruler, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 5/8 line. Using that logic, you'll go to your teacher and they'll ask you a random measurement to make sure that you are able to use this for all sorts of different measurements.